Alright, hello and welcome back. Just a quick little ride today, just going to work. Good, off we go. Beautiful day today. Cloud cover, nothing major. Beautiful body temperature at the moment, just perfect for a ride. Turning off here, just a quick way to work. Again, sounds bloody good today. Anyway, sounds beautiful today, the bike. Right, off we go. Even though I go down the back roads just about every day to go to work, I still never get bored of them. Let's rest under the tree today. What watching me? Huh? What am I doing, huh? Not even that hot today, it's only barely reaching 30 degrees. Cloud cover, it's much cooler. Over to the left, dodge that bump, stand up for that one. That's what it looks like. Nice valley. Oh, it's a beautiful day for a bike ride. Glad I got work. If only I was unemployed. I could just go and ride wherever I wanted, whenever I wanted. Oh well. These are the sacrifices we make, I guess. First world problems. I'm not living in a big city. Uh, Beautiful day. The bike's just sounding beautiful today. Still haven't worked out how to get the bike to only, I mean the mic, not the bike, to keep continuously recording. Shout around this corner because it's a bit bumpy. It's deceptively bumpy anyway. Kangaroo or two along here sometimes. Die out. But, well, thanks for watching. If you watched all the way till here, hope to see you in the next one. Like and subscribe and all that stuff. One day I can just be a full-time moto vlogger. That'd be good. Goodbye.